Welcome to Hidden Creek in McKinney, Texas, one of the city's most sought-after neighborhoods. From the moment you enter, you'll be greeted by lush landscaping and top-tier amenities. A resort-style pool, playground, and sport courts, all designed for an active and connected lifestyle. In just a short drive into the neighborhood, you'll find a home that takes it to the next level.
Welcome to 2308 Brenham Drive. Over 3,600 square feet of elegance, thoughtful design, and high-end upgrades. Step inside and you're met with soaring ceilings, elegant formal living and dining spaces, and a private study, perfect for working from home or creating a quiet retreat. But what really sets this home apart? The attention to detail and incredible upgrades throughout. And one of the biggest upgrades? Brand new Renewal by Andersen windows and frames throughout the home. Not only do they enhance the home's energy efficiency, but they bring an abundance of natural light, making every room feel bright, open, and inviting. Let's start in the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. Outfitted with all Viking appliances, a built-in ice maker, and plenty of counter space. This kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you're hosting friends or just making a cup of coffee in the morning, this space was designed to be the heart of the home. And with its open flow into the family room, complete with a cozy fireplace and expansive Andersen windows framing the backyard, you'll always feel connected, whether you're entertaining or unwinding after a long day. But let's talk about the primary suite, because this is more than just a bedroom. The completely remodeled bath is nothing short of breathtaking. Heated floors make those chilly mornings a little easier, while the enlarged double-headed shower, luxurious new tub, and fresh countertops turn this space into a true retreat. And to top it off, a custom barn door leads to your walk-in closet, adding the perfect finishing touch. Upstairs, the remodeled secondary bath keeps the upgrades going. And then there's the secluded theater room, because let's be honest, who doesn't want their own private cinema? Whether it's movie night, game day, or a Netflix binge, this space was built for it. And then we step outside, where things just keep getting better. The backyard is an entertainer's paradise with a built-in outdoor grill, a sparkling pool and spa, and plenty of space to relax and soak up the Texas sun. And don't forget the 3-car garage, because extra space is always a good thing.
The bottom line, 2308 Brenham Drive delivers. High-end upgrades, a prime location, and a house that's as functional as it is beautiful. If you're ready to see it for yourself, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos.